Hi, I'm Natalee Bowen from Indah Island, and I've come all the way from WA to Sydney to actually see the production line of how the Intrim mouldings are all actually produced. I'm incredibly excited to be partnering with Intrim, who are an Australian branded company who do the amazing detail and mouldings that we see on all the beautiful Hamptons houses that we do. So if a client has something that's more bespoke or something that's more designer that they have in mind, tell me what it is that they ask you and what is it that you provide to do?
We have a solutions design team here that can look at what you have, we can scan that and then do drawings to match it.
So once an order is actually placed, what's the next sort of process for a client?
So when the order has been confirmed, we call the customer to make sure that the delivery times are what they're looking for so we can meet that need, and then it is sent directly to production to be made as quickly as it possibly can be.
So in this amazing factory Intrim Mouldings, what I'm seeing is all these incredible lengths of timbers, and they've got a variety of different timbers that they're going to be using on the production line. What I found really interesting is that as I'm walking through, you can see all these different machinery pieces there that are then in line with making anything from a dado to a bee to a skirting, architrave, to a cornice, and all of those different pieces are done and run through the machines. As an order comes in, these guys will literally produce it there on the spot, and then literally will turn it around within a couple of days, which I just find absolutely astounding. So from the process of it being cut, it'll then get put through and be primed and sealed, and it literally happens within seconds. We're watching it go through the machinery and it comes out the other end. It's then heated, it's cooled, it's then packed, put onto a truck and then delivered to the doorstep. Absolutely a phenomenal process.